Norwegian Encore is a modern and sophisticated ship, with decor and public spaces that could rival a more luxury-oriented cruise line. It's a ship that aims to give everyone vacation choices, with multiple bars and restaurants, indoor and outdoor activities and plenty of evening entertainment. This video describes the detail of Norwegian Encore cruise ship, including the description about the decks and cabins of the ship, shipboard entertainment options, suites, and shipboard dining options. Hopefully the explanation of Norwegian Encore cruise ship can be used to consider the cruise ship of your dreams. If you want to see other cruise ship reviews, you can click the link in the description. I've discussed a lot about various other cruises. If you think this video of Norwegian Encore cruise ship is useful, don't forget to share it with your friends, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thrilling activities run the gamut from freefall waterslides to go-karts, known as the Norwegian Encore Speedway, laser tag, and the Norwegian Encore Galaxy Pavilion, which is virtual reality play space with family-friendly arcade games and more. Let's see what you can get if you sail with Norwegian Encore cruise ship. Number 1. Decks, cabins, and suites of Norwegian Encore cruise ship. Norwegian Encore staterooms, 2043 total, in 42 grades, include 1,587 outside, 374 inside, 82 studios, single cabins. Norwegian Encore offers a vast variety of cabins, from compact inside studios for solo travelers, to luxury suites catering to families and well-heeled couples, with pretty much every variation in between. Each cabin, except the Norwegian Encore Studio, has the following amenities. 2 beds that convert into 1 queen, a fixed desk with 3 110V and 1 220V outlets, interactive flat-screen TV, nightstands with shelves and a closet with hanging and shelf space, fixed touch-operated lights either side of the bed, complete with USB ports, a hair dryer, a for-fee mini fridge and a safe in the closet. The ship has more than 200 pairs of connecting cabins for groups and families. Cabins marked as family might have extra space and a bathtub, or might simply feature extra berths, so check before booking. There are 43 accessible cabins in a range of categories from inside through suite. The Norwegian Encore has some of the largest activities at sea, like the largest go-kart racetrack, and the largest open-air augmented reality laser tag game at the lost city of Atlantis. The Galaxy Pavilion is an immersive virtual reality experience, with simulator rides and escape rooms. Even the Aqua Park is one of the largest in the fleet, with the Aqua Racer, a tandem water slide, 2 multi-story water slides, multiple pools and hot tubs, and a separate aqua park just for kids. Inside, you'll find a spa with a vitality pool, a state-of-the-art fitness center, a casino, and a large variety of bars and lounges. Number 3. Shipboard dining options of Norwegian Encore cruise ship. With more than 20 places to eat on board, passengers can enjoy dining in a different restaurant every night on Norwegian Encore. The good news is with more than 20 places to eat on board, passengers can enjoy dining in a different restaurant every night. Norwegian Encore menus range from casual Texas-style barbecue to high-end Italian cuisine, so there's plenty of choice for everyone. The good news is that the quality of the included venues is reasonably good. In recent years, the line has improved the food and decor of its main dining rooms. Most Norwegian Encore restaurants have options marked for vegetarians and gluten-free diners. If you have food allergies, however, you will likely want to talk to the individual restaurants to see how they can accommodate your needs. You don't need to make reservations for these venues, unless you're in a party of 6 people or more. In addition to the main desserts, passengers can order a fruit plate, cheese tray or selection of ice cream or sherbet. Thank you for watching my video. Hopefully the explanation of Norwegian Encore cruise ship can be used to consider the cruise ship of your dreams. Also watch other cruise ship review videos on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click like, comment, and subscribe to the OneNet channel. See you in the next video.